In this video, we'll take you step by step through the process of making delicious spaghetti bolognese from scratch. So, grab your apron, turn up the heat, and let's get cooking. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef or pork, 1 onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can diced tomatoes, 14 ounces, 1 can tomato sauce, 8 ounces, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, 1 pound spaghetti noodles, grated Parmesan cheese, optional. Instructions: in a large skillet or Dutch oven, cook the ground beef or pork over medium heat until browned, stirring occasionally. Drain off any excess fat. Add the onion and garlic to the skillet and cook until the onion is tender, about 5 minutes. Stir in the diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, tomato paste, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Bring the mixture to a simmer and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the sauce is thickened and the flavors have melded together. While the sauce is cooking, cook the spaghetti noodles according to package instructions until al dente. Drain the cooked spaghetti and serve with the bolognese sauce on top. Sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese, if desired. Enjoy your homemade spaghetti bolognese.